Failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough. Elon Musk. This quote from Elon Musk highlights his perspective on failure and innovation. Musk believes that failure is not something to be feared or avoided, but rather an integral part of the innovation process. He suggests that if one's endeavors are not experiencing failures, it may indicate a lack of innovation or taking enough risks. Musk's quote encourages individuals to embrace failure as a learning opportunity and a stepping stone towards progress. He believes that through experimentation and pushing boundaries, true innovation can be achieved. Musk's own ventures, such as Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink, have encountered numerous challenges and setbacks along the way, but he continues to persevere and learn from these experiences. The quote reflects Musk's bold and visionary approach to entrepreneurship and his willingness to take calculated risks in pursuit of groundbreaking advancements. It inspires individuals to adopt a mindset that embraces failure as an essential part of the journey towards success and innovation.